remote wireless monitoring. In other words, what is the remote Internet of Things wireless monitoring? RIoT wireless monitoring is a powerful online platform leveraging RF Solutions' innovative RIoT sensor range to provide real-time environmental data tracking. Subscribers can log into monitor applications, download critical data, and stay informed with IoT sensors for temperature, humidity, pH, and more. These are ideal for industries like food safety, fish farming, agriculture, weather, aviation, and more. The system offers flexible usage-based monthly billing, ensuring affordability, always available monitoring tailored to your needs. Intended use. I will just point out three major areas where these applications are found. One, it can be used on Internet to Radio gateway. Two, it can be used for Internet-controlled RF receivers. And three, it can be used for Internet monitoring of sensors. I will take you back to a radio gateway. Let me break it down a bit and explain more about this. What is radio gateway? Generally, a gateway is a bridging system for radios, phones, computers, printers, and more. A radio gateway allows one radio to talk to another radio that operates on a different frequency band. In one word, radio is a communication system based on broadcasting electromagnetic waves of frequency between 3 Hz and 300 GHz. This is the bandwidth of which radios are communicated. Radio waves have longest wavelengths and lowest frequencies within the electromagnetic spectrum.
Because RF Solutions have trusted us with this brand new product that is launching tomorrow, and I thought it'd be a great idea to demonstrate its application in some garden lighting. The great thing about the RIoT is you can have the outputs configured as timed outputs so that your customer could trigger the heating in their area and then it times out after minutes or possibly even an hour, so we're not wasting energy. A lot of installers get nervous as soon as they hear the word IoT or Internet of Things and closely associated with that an app. But this system is really easy to set up. There's a dedicated app for the installer to get the product onto the Wi-Fi network. Simply push the button in the box to start the training process. Then you move on to the two options for actual controls. There's a simple version, or there's a pro version of the app which allows you to tailor the outputs of each individual channel and even set some really clever timer functions. Being able to switch things on from across the other side of the world is fantastic.